So my wipers were making scraping noise, and I think it's because of a combination of factors: how wet your windshield is, how dirty is your windshield, how dirty are your wipers, how angled are your wiper arms. Is it at a proper angle? And also, very important is the temperature outside. The colder the temperature, the more inflexible is your wiper. And of course, if you have changed your wipers, then the quality of the wiper is also important. If you have the original equipment, probably it will work better. And if you don't, then it might not. If your windshield is not wet, you probably see the jumper hop a little bit. Right now it's okay, but when it hops a little, if you spray some windshield fluid on it, you'll find that it will work very smoothly. So with that, it's not really the fault of the wiper. It's more because your windshield is dry. When your windshield wiper hops, it's not just one reason. It could be a host of reasons. And fixing one aspect of it might not solve your problem. People would change the angle with this wiper arm, bend it with a pair of pliers so that it sits at a different angle. So I don't recommend you doing this first. I think you should try doing all the other things: cleaning your windshield, making your wipers are new, and then make sure it is wet enough. And then if you noticeably see the angle is not right, then you can consider bending this wiper arm. Otherwise, you just be damaging the wiper arm or changing the angle of the wiper arm permanently without solving your original problem.